Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this used vehicle. Introducing the 2018 model Volvo V40 T2 Momentum that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised black paintwork. Alongside housing a manual transmission, you do also have your 2-litre petrol engine, meaning it is the ideal stylish upgrade, alongside enhanced visibility with your automatic LED daytime running headlights. You do also have your power folding door mirrors for added protection and of course it's 16-inch alloy wheels. The boot capacity offers plenty of space to accommodate your day-to-day items, while a very comfortable interior will come with your fitted ISOFIX points and also your central armrest, alongside added style and convenience with your multifunctional leather steering wheel. You do also have your central display screen for endless entertainment, alongside central storage, which does divide your two very comfortable part leather, part cloth front seats. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, even with your speed limiter to assist out on the open road. Of course, you do have your controls to navigate around your central display with all your radio stations to keep you entertained on longer trips. You do also have your Bluetooth connection for your own preferred audio as well, alongside all your vital driving data and your dual climate control, with further controls for this located just below, alongside your central cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet and plenty of storage for personal belongings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 0295 or inquire online now.